Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 8 Pro, and today I will show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up, hold both of those keys at the same time. Hold it for about 5 to 7 seconds and then release only the power key. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can use volume keys to navigate, volume down to go down, and volume up to go up, and power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can either connect to Mi Assistant, wipe data, which is basically a hard reset of the device, or just simply reboot the device. Now I'm gonna select the reboot. So press power key to confirm it, and then once more confirm reboot to system, so power key, and wait for the device to and there it is. So that is how you would enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.